the crew was super efficient, and I really enjoyed myself. Ranjit was directing the film. It was his first directorial venture, and he had also written the film, and the role was absolutely fantastic. And if you ask me to even today pick two of the best roles I've played in my life, I'll pick Hey Ram and Ravana Prabhu, because I think that they were the strongest roles. So I just ran, and then the rest of the movie followed. Of course, Mr. Mohanlal, one doesn't need to say anything about. This is a powerhouse. And really enjoyed Ravana Prabhu.
Yeah, and that's where the Aryade Aryade song also like clicked a lot. Let's together sing the song.
But I didn't sing it. Chitra sang it, and I think she sang it beautifully.
Okay, we're not spoiling the song, but we'll just do it. Aryade Aryade Paviyava Tingal Aryade.
See, she's a singer.
Supposed to join with me.
Alayanva, Alayanva, Ni Pranaya Kalpati Namaranva. Okay.
Okay, no, we'll carry on the show. I think that's like the better thing we do. Yeah, at actually
2
a
weeks.
film shoot place where the film's called Rose.
No,
No,
it's called Boss.
oh, it's called Boys. I heard it's called Rose. Okay, so tell us about the film and your character.
I play an actress. My character's name is Pooja. I play someone who's an actress in Tamil films and Telugu films, and she comes to Kerala to shoot because Kerala is so beautiful. And so, it's about how she meets this person called Boss and what happens.
So 3 Malayalam films now. You must be able to speak some Malayalam right now.
I'm able to understand
You
Malayalam,
can't like speak.
but I don't have vocabulary.
Okay.
So if you tell me to say
Same
something,
here, same here.
if you say something, I'll say Eniki Malayalam.
Amelia. That's one line she's like studied and kept completely.
Yeah.
So now this is Vasundhara's professional side of her life. Now let's just get to know her better. Now we'll just move on to a very personal, as in not personal, very casual this thing. What about your outfits? I mean, what do you like to wear generally?
What I'm wearing now, jeans,
Casual.
kurtas, shirts, t-shirts. That's what I'm in.
I mean, when you go for like functions or an award ceremony or something, do you like wear dresses and?
I don't wear dresses. I used to wear gowns and stuff at my concerts. I don't think in India it's only new that people are wearing gowns to red carpet events and things like that. I don't see anything wrong in that, but then I find that a tad much.
Okay.
But for me, I like to experiment with different colors, and I'm, easy that way.
What about food?
Food, I like my roti and dal.
That's it?
That's my staple. I can't do without it.
Okay.
And I like to try things wherever
But,
I travel,
when
because
you
I'm
come
a
for
big
shoots
travel
and all?
buff. Yeah, I'm a big tripper.
Okay.
So wherever I go, I kind of try and sample a little bit of the local flavor. I'm not averse to that.
So right now you're in Kerala. So what have you like tried?
I have. It's not the first time I'm in Kerala, so I've tried pretty much a lot of. And I'm mainly vegetarian, but
I'm so proud of you.
by chicken. Sorry, before you.
I'm really not proud of you for that.
Chicken is a walking vegetable anyway.
Okay. That's
So,
smart. You put it really
yeah.
smart.
So I eat a bit of chicken. That's about it. So when I'm in Kerala, I definitely like appams, but I don't eat them every day.
Okay.
Today I had something I had never had before, which is a wheat puttu. I always know that puttu is made out of rice,
Yeah.
but
It was a wheat puttu.
yeah, and it was interesting. I really liked it.
And that too, this is like the Onam season now. So have you tried out the Onam Sadhya as such?
I have had. You mean the LS sapad?
Yeah, Ella Sapad and Onam Sadhya is a little different.
Is it?
They have a red rice and gundu gunda
No, I
irukku
haven't.
arsila.
Nilla. I
Yeah,
have not
you've
tried.
not
I've never been
tried.
here at Onam time.
Trust me, I'll take you out one day and give you Onam Sadhya. So now, how does Vasundhara deal with controversies?
I decide what I want to deal with. There's some things that are open to public opinion, and there's some things that are not.
I mean, there were, when you like started your film career, there were like the Hey Ram controversy and
oh, that.
that wasn't a
That's
big deal for you.
No, you know why? Because a lot of people seem to want to focus on something that's going to bring up a controversy. Whereas Hey Ram as a film for a newcomer had such a wonderful role. So whenever someone asks me about it, I'm like, that was just 2 minutes of the film, and in the whole film there was like such wonderful characters, so much of work going into it.